talking about young witnesses, there's a reliability question there.
Yes.
I think I saw this, and then the state comes in and says, are you sure you really saw this? Because the video shows something else. How do you sort of manage that?
I think that really it depends on which side you're on. So from a defense perspective, I don't think that hurts, right? These are young witnesses, and what they're saying is, this is what I felt, what I saw. Okay, and you're showing me a video sort of after the fact, and I realize that maybe there's something a little bit different there, but I think it makes it authentic. And that's what you want. Everybody's perspective is different, everybody's lens is different, and I think that what you're able to demonstrate when you have these young witnesses is that everybody is going to see something a little bit differently. And that's okay. That brings authenticity, I think, to their testimony. As it relates to sort of the prosecution or the state, I think that, you do exactly what they did in this instance, right? You say, well, that's not what happened, is it? Because we showed you the video and you acknowledged. But I don't know that hurts in any way, because I think that what people need to understand, especially the jurors, is that this was a chaotic, crazy situation. Everybody was experiencing these types of things for the very first time. I mean, these are 16, 17, 18-year-old kids that have never experienced violence or anything of this nature. So they're going to sort of have the lens of just sort of trauma. And I think that it's perfectly okay and understandable as it relates to being a juror to hear that.